Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for high-quality human hair extensions, you know the struggle: tangling, shedding, and texture that just doesn't hold up over time. Today, we're reviewing the MLIP Raw Bundles Human Hair Straight in 16, 18, and 20 inches. This hair promises to be 100% raw Indian temple hair with a silky texture that lasts through multiple washes. But does it live up to those claims? Let's find out, starting with the basics. These are raw, unprocessed human hair bundles, sourced from Indian temples, meaning the cuticles are intact and aligned for a smooth, natural flow. Each bundle weighs 100 grams and comes double-wefted to reduce shedding and increase longevity. According to the brand, these extensions have been tested through over 80 washes and still maintain their silky texture. They're also free of chemical processing, so there's no artificial coating or strange smell, just pure, natural hair. Now let's talk about real-world performance. Straight out of the package, the hair feels soft, full, and bouncy, with no stiffness or synthetic-like coating. When installed, the wefts lay flat against the scalp, making blending easy, especially if you have naturally straight or relaxed hair. The true test? Styling. This hair takes heat beautifully, curling and straightening without damage, which is a strong sign of quality. After washing, the texture stays consistent, with no weird frizz or excessive dryness. However, as with all raw hair, proper hydration is key. A good sulfate-free conditioner will keep it looking its best. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: 100% raw Indian temple hair, meaning it's natural, unprocessed, and high quality. Minimal shedding and tangling, thanks to the double weft construction. Holds up through multiple washes without losing its texture or softness. Versatile for styling, can be curled, straightened, or even dyed. No chemical smell and no artificial coatings, so it behaves like real hair should. Cons: requires proper maintenance. Raw hair needs moisture to stay in top condition. Higher price point than processed alternatives, but that's expected with raw hair. Limited availability. If you prefer longer lengths or custom textures, options may be restricted. Before we dive deeper, is this review helping you out? If so, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so more hair enthusiasts can discover this video. Now, when it comes to value for money, this is an investment piece. If you're someone who wears extensions regularly, the triple lifespan claim makes this worth considering. While you'll pay more upfront compared to processed bundles, you're getting hair that can last 3 times longer with proper care. How does it compare to other hair on the market? If you're used to Brazilian or Peruvian hair, you'll notice Indian hair is lighter and more flexible, which means better movement and a more natural look. Compared to lower-cost AliExpress or factory-processed hair, this holds up far better in terms of longevity and styling versatility. The build quality is also solid. The double wefting is secure and doesn't feel overly bulky, and since the hair hasn't been chemically treated, it has a realistic luster, not the overly shiny, plastic-like finish you sometimes get with coated hair. Now, customer service: while there wasn't a need for direct support, the brand has a good reputation for delivering what they advertise. That's always a plus, especially in the hair industry, where misleading product descriptions can be common. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, processed human hair bundles are an option, but they won't last as long or hold up to frequent washing and styling like raw hair does. If longevity and quality are your priority, sticking with raw hair is the better choice. So, final verdict: is the MLIP Raw Bundles worth it? If you want 100% natural, long-lasting extensions with minimal shedding and styling versatility, this is a strong option. The key is knowing how to care for raw hair. It's not low maintenance, but if you invest the time, it can last years instead of months. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this hair, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're ready to check it out for yourself, the link is in the comments box. Until next time, stay flawless and keep those strands sleek.